Hey everyone, it's Brian with Brinkley RV. I'm here today to show you our brand new Model Z AIR 310 travel trailer. Let's go take a look. So stepping into the 310, you'll notice our large kitchen area. We're going to feature solid surface countertops. We'll have a nice farmhouse sink. The pantry, again, is going to be a very large pantry with adjustable shelving. We'll have 110 in there, so you can see we have our Keurig hooked up here, and you'll have plenty of lighting. We'll feature a 16 cube 12 volt refrigerator. This will be a maximum efficiency so it can run off your batteries when you're traveling down the road. We'll have a nice large residential microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven, and then plenty of storage around your cooking area for your utensils. And you'll notice our cabinetry doors are all soft close for that residential fit and finish. Moving over to our island, this will be on a steel base that's secured right to the chassis, and inside we'll have our trash, and up above we'll have our paper towel holder. And moving on to our drawers, all of our drawers will be dovetail construction, so we'll have solid wood drawer boxes. On our steel island base, we'll feature a removable pet dish. This is going to be magnetized to the island so you can really move it around wherever you need it. Moving over to our living area, you'll notice our 42-inch TV that's on a televator. So this can come down, allow for more counter space, more storage up top. We'll have storage above, and then just below the TV, we will have our Bluetooth connection for your 2 interior speakers, a 110 outlet, and an HDMI. Here's our 72-inch trifold sofa. This will make into a nice bed. In front, we'll have our ottoman. This is a storage ottoman that also converts into a desk. And beside our trifold, on each side, we'll have an end table. This will feature a storage area that lifts up from the front. And just behind it, we will have our 110 outlet with USB and USB-C ports. Just across from the TV, we'll have our comfortable theater seats. These are going to feature heat controls on both sides, USB for charging, and just between the 2 theater seats, we will have a waterproof phone charger. And the theater seats will recline with the pullback of a lever, and then they'll fully recline back. Just beside our theater seats, you'll notice we do have our sliding dinette desk. This is going to slide out, so you'll have more room if you want to use it as a 4-person dinette with the storage ottoman and the 2 chairs. And then you can also slide it to either side for an L-shaped desk. We'll also feature a wine rack just below, and then we will have our pull-out silverware storage inside the table itself. Just like you notice on all Brinkleys, the 310 will feature our CraftSense construction. This is going to be our solid trim around your slide boxes. We're going to have our solid wood trim around our square windows for that clean residential look and no valances to get in the way. We have our integrated nightshade and day shade in your windows as well. And just behind our nightshade here, we will have reflective foil, so in those hot days, you'll keep that closed. It'll help keep the heat out. We pair that inside the 310 with 2 Furrion Chill Cube 18K air conditioners. These are going to be extremely efficient, very quiet. We now offer it in the bedroom, which is a big plus. Before we move on, you'll notice just how spacious this 310 is with the overall interior height of 84 inches and our slide box height of 72.5 inches. It really gives you that residential feel. So just inside the 310 bathroom, you'll notice we have a large full fiberglass surround shower with our body sprayer, porcelain toilet, stainless steel sink with our solid surface countertops. We're going to have storage up above that'll actually pass through into the bedroom. And below the sink, we have additional storage with your control for your hot water heater. And up above, we'll have a max air fan for plenty of ventilation. So we're stepping into the 310 bedroom. You will notice this model features a bedroom slide. It'll come standard with a queen bed and nightstands, or you can do the king option. We will have overhead storage above the beds. Just behind me, you'll notice we have a massive wardrobe. We will have washer dryer prep in here as well. Directly in front of your bed, you're gonna notice we have a 32-inch TV, a nice picture window here. We will have our same dresser that we feature in our Model Z lineup. So this will have that hidden storage underneath for your jewelry or other accessories. And then below we'll have plenty of storage. On this side of your bed, you're gonna see we have a mirror. We have nice hooks here to hang some clothing items. We'll have plenty of storage. And then another feature obviously is this bed is gonna open up. So we have heavy duty struts, and you can see the amount of storage there underneath. So here we are standing at the front of our Model Z AIR 310. The first thing you're going to notice is our fully automotive painted front cap. We're going to have LED lights with lens covers, 3M graphics in the front for that clean automotive look. And we will have a rock guard to help protect the coach. The 310 will also feature our BAL auto level system. This is a one-touch system. Below the front cap, we'll have our custom storage box. So inside here, you'll have room for two 30-pound LP tanks. You're gonna have your LP IQ, which is a gauge so you know how full they are. Beside our LP storage, you'll have another storage box here. We'll have a tools tray up above, and then two Group 27 size batteries will fit in the battery tray. So here we are on the off-door side pass-through of the 310. You're gonna notice first we have an insulated baggage door with a slam latch, full pass-through due to our drop frame. We'll have a saddlebag here, so if you have wet items or bulky items you just wanna throw in, it makes it easy. On our utility center here, it's gonna be very simple. We use brass fittings, so that's an industry first. We have a 65-foot hose reel. We will have a hot and cold shower, your satellite and cable. We will have your electric tank valves for your black and gray tank, motion sensor lighting, 110, and just above in here we do have a 60 amp charge controller, and we pair that with 370 watts of solar on the roof, and then we do have inverter prep. And another great feature just behind your utility center is going to be the sliding wall. Everything's accessible just behind the utility center. All right, stepping back from the pass-through, you'll notice on our 310, this is a bedroom slide. So one of the things we do with our first protos is we take them out, camp in them, and we notice there's just plenty of room for storage here. So on our production run, we will have an exterior storage door here, just to allow you for more space, for more gear. So moving back from the bedroom slide, you'll notice we have our termination valves here. These are gonna have clear caps on them, so there's no surprises when you're dumping. This will be for your main black and gray tanks. And then the front will be for a washer prep up in the bedroom. Stepping back to the new 310, you'll notice we are using our wide stance ladder. You'll see we do have storage underneath your trifold sofa, so this will allow you to put items like tables, chairs, anything bulky. It will have a motion sensing light and a 110 outlet in there as well. Just below that, we have our 2-inch receiver hitch, and it allows for 300 pounds of carrying capacity. There is a 4-way plug, so if you have a bulky bike rack that has additional lighting, that will be able to plug in there. And all the way up above, we will have our Furion backup camera. This will come with a display monitor, so that way you can see in your truck when you're backing up at night, along with the LED lights underneath. Those will light up the area, and it makes it very easy to back up into those tight spots. Here we are on the door side of the pass-through, and you'll just notice how much space you have inside here to store all your camping items. This is a heated area and insulated as well, so it'll keep everything safe. Up above here, you'll notice we have two disconnects. One's gonna be a main disconnect, the other will be for travel. Just below that, we do have another 110 outlet cable, and then we will have hot and cold water on this side as well, so it just makes it easier for rinsing things off. Below that, we will have an access for the hose that allows you to run the hose down and then keep this door closed so everything's sealed off. Now that we're over here on the door side of the 310, you'll really get a good look at the automotive exterior. We have our European square frameless windows. These windows actually open 6 inches, so that's 3 inches further than most for more airflow and better cross ventilation. And you can see we're running hand-cooked G-rated tires with custom aluminum 16-inch wheels. And underneath that, we have the Road Armor equalizer to help dampen some of that road vibration. And then these will have 7K axles with 7K springs. On the outside of the 310, you'll notice we have 2 awnings. We'll have a 10-foot 6 awning here and a 15-foot awning up front. And this is a great feature to help protect you from the elements. So walking into the coach, you'll notice we're using the solid step entry stairs. We are using our RV lock, so you'll have a key fob that comes with your coach, and you can program a code on the key lock. We will have the easy screen assist handle with the screenshot that allows this door to close. Based on customer feedback, the 310 was created for those that are looking for the ultimate couples coach. This is a travel trailer that will feature a bedroom slide with a king bed option, plenty of living and eating space, and many more options. Thanks everyone for watching today. If you have any questions, check out generalrv.com.